Hello everyone, my name is Julia from Trove Desserts, and today I'm going to be showing you our signature style on how we decorate our cupcakes using a ribbon icing technique. And then we're going to decorate them really pretty with florals and gold leaf, so stay tuned to see how we do this. For decorating cupcakes, I always love to use a disposable piping bag. They're very easy to use. There's kind of no cleanup with them. They're honestly the best. And then we use our Wilton 125 piping tip. It's slanted at the top and it kind of has a raindrop opening. This one is perfect. So the first thing I do is basically just roll the outer edge of the piping bag down. And then I use my hand and kind of stick it inside to hold the center. And then I continue to pull the bag down around my hand. And then we want to cut some of this off. So I have already pre-baked my vanilla cupcakes here, right? And I have my handy dandy bowl of frosting all ready to go. So I basically just take a scoop like this and scrape it inside of the bag. Like so. So now that I have icing in the piping bag, then I just use my hand to push the icing down to the end. Okay, I take my hand and I put the bag between my thumb and my forefinger, and then I twist. So this kind of keeps the pressure on the icing in the bag, which is exactly what we want. So when you're icing your cupcakes, you always want this teardrop shape to be facing down. So you're gonna wanna apply even pressure when you're doing this, and I always start at the middle of the cupcake, and then I go to the side and pause and press, and then that kind of corner will form. Pause and press. And then I just kind of keep going, keeping consistent pressure the entire time, and at the end, you kind of just wick it away. So depending on the angle that you're holding this, your rows will either be facing kind of upright or down. So I'll show you a slightly more downwards angle. Oops. And that happens sometimes, so just keep going. When we had our bakery, the most common flowers that we used to decorate our cakes were carnations and mums. They're non-toxic and they just look so beautiful on cakes and cupcakes. So for these, I'm just gonna use the petals and kind of place them on the cupcakes. All right, so now we just play around and see what looks good. So once you have the petals on and you're kind of liking the way it's looking, we can then add a final little touch with some gold flake. So I think I like the way that looks. Okay, and now we have this little vial of gold flake, and I use a toothpick to just kind of get a little piece out, and then I can pop it on my cupcakes. Okay, and there you have it. Super elegant, elevated cupcakes that aren't crazy swirled high with sprinkles or tons of icing. This is our way of doing cupcakes, and I think they just look so elegant and stunning. They'd be perfect for birthdays or for a wedding even. Do yourself a favor and get some bakery style cupcake boxes to transport these, because I can't tell you how many times that I've made cupcakes for an event or a birthday, and then I'm like, what the heck am I supposed to put this in and put it in my car, and they're gonna bounce around and get ruined. So this is a must, an essential. Get some of these. How pretty are these? Can you imagine giving someone these for your birthday and saying, I made them? And there you have it, super beautiful, elegant bakery style cupcakes from home. If you guys try out this decoration style, please let us know and tag us in your pictures. We'll leave our Instagram handle in this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.